Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo as a search tool and replace it with Google. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like here. This helps me a lot to bring more content like this to you. Let's get started. I'm going to open my Google Chrome, and you can see that the main search tool is Yahoo. But we want Google and not Yahoo, so we are going to access the Google Chrome settings. Click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Several options will appear for you. Look for the settings option. After opening the settings, on the left side of the screen we will look for the search engine option. Note that a search tool option will open. In the central part of the screen, click on the button where it says Change. Now, just select the first option where it says Google, click on Google, and click to save the changes, and that's it. Your Google Chrome is configured to always search with Google. Let's open a new tab to see if it's actually working. Everything is working normally. The video ends here. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.